Oh yeah, this is what it looks like. The Great Flood. That's probably what it looked like. Or just the beginning of it. Raining pretty hard. Today's about 25th of June, 2015. Oh yeah. Kept going the whole day, non-stop. Wow, here it comes again. Boom. Wow. That's pretty heavy. Yep. Crazy.